What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a new taillight. So for this demonstration I'm going to be using my new taillight to remove and install. Let's get straight to it. Under the seat you will find a key slot. Turn it to the right to unlock the seat. Then pull the seat upwards to release it. Next you will see a small silver tab. Pull down on that and you will be able to pop off the passenger seat. Under the passenger seat, you will see two 10mm bolts connected to a servo motor. Remove them and you will be able to move the servo off to the side. Next, locate the plugs in a black rubber boot and start to disconnect them. These cables connect to the servo motor and the lights. We're going to remove this side fairing. In order to do this, there's going to be 4 black plastic tabs, and I'm going to show you all how to remove those if y'all never have. To remove, push in the center, and then on the sides, pry up. Do this to the remainder of the tabs. In the passenger area, you'll see 4 4mm bolts. Remove these. Starting from the top, pry outward, and once you make your way down to the bottom, push the piece inward to remove itself from the grommet. The piece is held in mainly in these 3 areas. We have 2 more 4mm hex bolts. Take these out. Lift up on the plastic piece and move the servo to the side. Right above your key slot, you're going to find this small little tab. Push in both sides to push in the tab, and then you should be able to unplug it. This cable connects to your actual taillight. Get your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these 2 black screws and remove the cover. 2 more silver Phillips heads will be removed as well on the bracket. At the bottom you'll have 2 more black Phillips head screws. Remove these. Once you have all the screws out, it's time to remove the tail light. Don't be scared to get a little bit aggressive because it will be finicky to remove it. Now it's time to install the new tail light. And after this, you're just going to do the reverse of what I showed you throughout the video to put everything back together. Make sure you test out the tail light with the blinkers, brake light, and hazards. And after this, you're done with the install. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss a future video, and I'll see you in the next one.